Attacking seasonal markets. Seasonal markets are those that peak at a certain time of year, such as Christmas, Halloween, and Easter. They typically have a short window of opportunity when they're most profitable, with the rest of the year bringing less or even no revenue. In this article, we're going to look at some strategies for working in these markets. The first thing you need to consider is the busy season for whatever market it is that you're looking at. Let's use Halloween as an example. Halloween traffic starts to pick up in mid to late August and keeps increasing until the peak about a week before Halloween. If you want to build websites that are going to promote Halloween-related products, you need to plan well ahead. It takes a month or two for a new website to start getting some traction in the search engines, at least for the purposes of natural search. Paid traffic can be generated much quicker, of course. So if you want to build a site that's going to capitalize on Halloween traffic, you need to have it built in June, so you have a couple of months to do some promotion for it, which will prepare it for the start of the busy season. The biggest drawback to seasonal websites is the fact that the majority of their revenue is generated over a short period of time, and they generate little or no revenue for the rest of the year. The key to making seasonal markets work for you is to diversify your websites across several different markets that will hit at different times of the year. For example, you might target Halloween, Christmas, hot topics for the new year such as weight loss or debt reduction, Easter, and various other topics that are popular at different times of the year. By diversifying your sites this way, you can have a steady stream of income all year long. It's just coming from different websites at any given time. Another big advantage of this strategy is that it can be more interesting for many people. Instead of working on the same topic all year long, you get to switch things up every couple of months. It helps stop boredom from setting in about any single topic and keeps things more interesting. Of course, once you build the sites in a seasonal market, they'll work for you year after year, so you can either build more sites in the same market or focus on another topic that's popular at the same time of year.